Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're excited to explore the world of BingX affiliate programs and how you can benefit from this amazing opportunity. If you're looking to maximize your earnings while enjoying the perks of cryptocurrency trading, then you've come to the right place. BingX is not just another trading platform. It offers a unique affiliate program that allows you to earn by sharing the platform with others. By introducing new users to BingX through your affiliate link, you can earn commissions for every trade they make. This means that the more you share, the more you can earn. So, how does it work? When you sign up for the BingX affiliate program, you will receive a personalized referral link. You can share this link with your friends, family, or on social media. Every time someone registers and trades using your link, you'll start to earn rewards. It's simple, effective, and best of all, it's free to join. And here's something special for you. Use the referral code CHUCHU when signing up. This code unlocks additional benefits and boosts your earning potential right from the start. By using this code, you can access exclusive promotions and rewards that will help enhance your experience with BingX. By becoming a BingX affiliate, you're not only generating passive income, but also participating in a vibrant community of traders. You'll gain access to resources, educational materials, and the latest market trends, making it easier for you to stay informed and successful in your trading journey. Imagine earning while helping others discover a powerful trading platform. The potential for profit is limitless, and with the added perks from using referral code CHUCHU, your earnings can significantly increase. So why wait? Start today. Sign up for the BingX affiliate program, share your referral link, and use the code CHUCHU to maximize your rewards. Join us and take your first step towards financial freedom through affiliate marketing with BingX. Thank you for joining us today on Crypto Kickstart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on cryptocurrency and trading. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.